Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to request a refund on your pre-orders or cancel a game on your Xbox Series X or S. Now, you do need to open up an internet browser to do this. So we can go to the Microsoft Edge browser on our Xbox if we really want to. But for me, it's just easier with a keyboard and mouse on my PC. So I want to open up a web browser and then go to xbox.com and then press enter. Then in the upper right side of the screen, we need to go to where it says sign in and then sign in with your email address and password associated with your Xbox account. And then scroll on down to the bottom of the screen until we get to this section. And we want to go to Microsoft Store right here and then go to returns and select this. Then it will say refund and exchange items right here. So we have the option for subscriptions, hardware, and then we want to go to games and apps right here. And then for the digital goods like apps or add-ons or anything else, we want to go to open order history right here. And we can see things that we bought through our Xbox. And we have the option to request availability. And then we can see the refund status right here. So it says check out additional eligible details, guidelines, and resources below. So right now, none of my games are eligible for refunds or anything else like that. It says refunds are typically issued for requests meeting the following criteria. Requests are made within 14 days of the purchase date. Requests are for games in which you haven't accumulated a significant amount of time. So make sure you're not playing too much, otherwise you won't be able to refund it. Now, a limited exception, digital games may be eligible for a refund within 30 days if you're unsatisfied with the license agreement or warranty, but only if you do not make or retain any copies. So just come to this page and then you can request a refund if the game shows up under here. And it looks like all you have to do is request a refund, select the game. We didn't find any purchases on this account. Check why don't I see any purchases in the list for more info. So you can easily come to this section and you can find it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.